Yes, sir. Now this is turning into a full little refresher. Might as well do it now while I got it out. I'm gonna get to the scuff up as much as I can, get rid of all these cobwebs, and just shoot this whole thing down with undercoating, at least underneath the gas tank, all up underneath here, and whatever I can see, the frame, all that. Yes, sir. So it's officially turned into arts and crafts time. I'm gonna be starting to spray this side and get this side done. I haven't really cleaned up that side yet, that side. So I'm gonna probably do half of it right now. But I mean, look at how dirty this, I mean, it's a little hard to see. The straps are pretty dirty. I have to clean them up. So that's what it looked like before. This is now not perfect, but no one's gonna see it. I'm just trying to clean it up. So we're gonna get to the spring. Heard that this stuff is pretty good, so that's what we're gonna try out. I was gonna use this for my wheel wells, but I was expecting but not expecting to pull off the gas tank. So we're gonna use this for this, and if it turns out good, then we're gonna use it for the wheel wells, since no one's gonna see this anyways. Oh, I need to take that up first. So after looking at my phone footage, I noticed it didn't record me while I was spraying. There is a few spots I need to re-go back over. And I don't know why some of it was kind of like cracking, especially right here for some reason. I don't know why. I did spray quite a bit. So I'm just gonna let this dry overnight. And then come back tomorrow and hit spots like that. And like over here and stuff. All up in here as well. Do that tomorrow. Scuff it down. Yeah, I'm thinking too I should probably pull the subframe out before I do the swapping, kind of. Maybe I could just do it another time. I don't necessarily need to do it right this second.
Science has learned that all people possess mental powers which pass the boundaries of the natural. This is the story of a man confronted by such strange forces within himself. At this moment, he is looking at a thing of evil. A thing that takes possession of the mind and compels it to kill.
I destroyed them. Something in me killed them.
We're gonna be taking everything off, except for all the arms. For the rears, we're gonna do the coilovers and 5-lug. Finally get this disgusting 4-lug off so I can throw on the over there. So let's get them. Got it out. Time to spray this down with some purple power, get it all cleaned up so that Marlon from City Garage can weld the diff, take out the bushings so I can put in new ones, and he's also going to be reinforcing the subframe too. It is a little rusty, I'll tell you that. Definitely gonna need to clean up. Since I'm gonna be putting the tray in, I might as well try to get it done. Spray it. So went ahead with the wire wheel, got most of that gunk and rust, whatever I can off. I just got some simple green spray down, so I'm gonna wipe it down with the microfiber, clean it up, and then spray it down so I can mount that tray in there and the fuel tank and have that section of this whole back end done. Oh, this is the last time you're gonna see it like this. Pretty grody. I wire wheeled as much as I could, scuffed it down, taped up the back, but it's all gonna be like the underside with the black. The reason I taped that off because I'm gonna make that my ground, so I just didn't want to have to go through like stripping the paint off of it, and I just taped around the sides because I'm not gonna be going all the way up. So we're gonna hit it with some Rust-Oleum undercoating. Stuff is pretty good, so shoot it down. Better, much better. So I'm gonna kind of hit a couple other spots and call it a day. I didn't spray up all the way up here because that is a lot of paint to go all the way up. So I'll just leave it. This wrinkle black piece, it's a little messed up in some spots, but whatever, bro. I don't really care. But this piece is gonna go nicely in there. Honestly, like, even from afar, no carpet, looks good. Happy with it. It's all refreshing at least. I mean, you can still see all the divots from all the rust, but at least it's all painted up, top side and bottom side, so it should be clear.
You a gangster, you don't care nobody what nobody think or look, man. You just wanna have fun. Like, I done been there and done it. I wanted to have fun right now, bro. You hear me?
Stranger from the outside.
I be worried with a ticket. Just left the bank, don't go, let's check it. Scratch the shit off my checklist. I'm trying to see what to buy next. First meal buying the projects, next meal probably go blow it on hot tech. Why you be clutching your 5 stick, huh? I feel a full nigga trying. Posted over that iron, little bro, with a whole lot of cider behind me. Still in the hood, can't go Hollywood. Swear to God, it's not that hard to find me. Know how I feel when you broke your last. If you don't go get it, who else gon' buy it? Hard time telling a young nigga too slimy. Look her working the stick while he driving. Type so bleach that a boy by the penny. 5'10", but ain't no whole card. They mean shit, walked the Lenny, left out, drop 5. But I got
Finally, battery trays in there. The gas tank, boy, is in there as well. And man, this looks so good. That thing is solid in there. Fits perfectly still with the plastics. I just want to clean up that electrical connector because it is a little gunked up. But I'm gonna clean the connector, that one, because I know that one's cool and it's pretty clean. I'm gonna clean down in the wires to get back down. Boom. Then I can put my wrinkle black cover. Kind of regret not painting this, but once it's in, we'll see what I will do. Might spiff it up a little bit, we'll see.
Toronto.